In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can remove a white background from a video in Adobe After Effects. So with your video selected, we're going to go to Effects and Presets. Whichever isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Effects and Presets or press Ctrl 5 on your keyboard. And here we're going to search for Luma key and apply the Luma key to our footage. Now in the Effect Controls window, we're going to choose Key Out Brighter because we want to remove the white background. And as you can see, it's already doing something. But we're going to play around with the threshold to make it better. Just go as far as you can go. And it looks good like this. If you're seeing this, you can enable the transparency grid so you can see what's happening. And then here you can also play around with the edge thin if needed for your project, and make the edge feather a bit smoother if you want to. But that is how you can remove a white background in Adobe After Effects. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.